In this series, I'm going to show you how to make incredibly tasty food while out on the trail. Easy to prepare, inexpensive, and with a great calorie to weight ratio. In this episode, we're going to do an absolute classic, one of my favourites, porridge. Okay, porridge with a twist. Let's go. To make this take on an age-old hearty classic, you will need 60 grams of jumbo rolled oats. Over a medium, low flame, stir them well until you can just start to smell the nicely toasted scent of the oats. You'll also need 80 grams of mixed dried fruits. Here I've used chopped dates, cherries and blueberries. 1 heaped teaspoon of maple sugar, 1 heaped tablespoon of coconut milk powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a ziplock bag. Links to some of these ingredients and the detailed cooking method are in the video description. Add all of the ingredients into a ziplock bag and mix them together thoroughly. Make sure to close the bag before you start doing this. When everything is well and truly mixed together, open the bag to squeeze out any excess air. Reseal and put in your pack ready for the adventure. While out on the trail, spark up your flame and add the porridge mixture with 120-ish millilitres of water into a pot. A good ratio for this recipe is just over 2 parts water to 1 part oats. As you bring the mixture to the boil, make sure that you stir it regularly. The more you stir during the cooking process, the creamier the porridge will be. When the mixture is bubbling, remove it from the flame, give it one last stir and leave it to stand for about 3 minutes. If you have any extra treats that you want to add, garnish it with these and tuck into a breakfast that will keep you fueled all morning. This particular recipe will weigh only 160 grams, give an overall of 415 calories and cost just £1.50 to make. If you're not such a fan of cinnamon, try other ingredients like cocoa nibs. Porridge is such a versatile breakfast in which you can try all manner of different ingredients, so get creative. Would you try this recipe? What might you change? Do you have a version that you'd like to share? Leave any ideas and questions in the comments below. If you found this video useful and want to learn more incredibly tasty trail recipes, then please like, subscribe, tell your friends and all that jazz. Until next time, cheers.